We have a 2009 Audi TT 2-litre Tfsi Auto, and it's the S-Line model. I think it's got 82,000 miles, and this one is a category N, which is non-structural, and I was going to say dent, but pretty much scuff is around that side down there, but let's do the front first. It's a bit wet, sorry, it's December, so around this side, pretty straight and clean. A couple of small marks that'll need to be touched in, so hopefully clips on it, but it's pretty small. It's about the size of a penny. It's got xenons on the front. It's actually got 19s on it, which is great. However, I think they need refurbing. They're just a little bit scuffed, and there's a mark down here, but that actually looks like white paint from something else. I reckon it is. Yeah, that will come off, I hope and believe. Yes, it will. So decent tyres on the front. In fact, they are pretty much new, and the ones on the back are pretty much new as well. Hood's nice and clean. Let's get down here to the bad bit. So all nice and clean down there, but we have a scrape there. Most of this will polish out. In fact, that looks like a tyre to me from something a bit bigger, and that's going to come off, but we've got a little tiny dent down there, but the panel is all lovely and straight apart from that bit there. But they've written this off to a category M because that, I believe, is aluminium, so that is hard to fix, i.e. they have to cut the whole panel out, put it back. They can't do it, so that's just going to be pulled out, skimmed and painted. Good down that side. Roof is pretty decent too. They normally are on Audis. Parking sensors at the back, and inside it's pretty straight and clean. No real bolster wear. In fact, it's very good. We've got bows down there. What else have we got? Steering wheel controls. Oh, it's got paddle shift. Auto. No, it ain't got all lights. That's a shame. Heated seats. So let's have a look at the mileage again. Yeah, 82,000.